Hi everybody, let's take a look at this oil filter, Purolator PureOne, PL10241. This is the old PureOne line. This part number had some problems initially with ripped folds, ripped pleats, because I believe the folder was not sharp enough in the factory, is what I've read. And this was fine when it got to me. These little black marks here are actually a little residue of rust. It rusted after sitting for 10 years. Once it moved 6 months into my garage, it got a little flash rust there, so I decided to use it up. And it's all gone black, so I think we're fine. I just cut it open with my Dremel, so we're going to see what's going on inside. This is the first opening. There's the inside. Seems to be good. It feels a little gritty, but I think that's just because I cut it open with the Dremel. Anti-drain back valve. And now for the moment of truth, we're going to pull the element out. Metal end caps. And I think we're looking pretty good here so far. It has a metal crimp on it. And I don't think we have any issues with these pleats. I did have a brand new one, opened it up, and it was just fine too. So I think we're good. This has about 4,000 miles of Valvoline Restore motor oil on it, 0W30. So there we go. Check it out. Anti-drain back valve, pressure release rather. So I think we're good. This model is not out of production, but it served me well. I spent $2.50 on it on Marketplace. So put it back in there. There we go. Thank you.